Afternoon everyone. Okay, so here we are, welcome to Vehicle Revolution's YouTube channel. Right, so here we have our own Alfa Giulia Quadrifoglio upgrade bumper. Now this bumper fits all Giulia models. Basically it's an upgrade from your base. You can see here, this comes with a crash bar down there. I'll dismantle it in a second for you. I'll show you how it all clicks in. You know, you can see it clicks into these bits in here, and it's a Quadrifoglio one that you can see with the big gap that goes in. You know, that's a proper one. It's a two-piece one where you've got the lower under tray, which is this bit. That lower under tray clicks in, you know, pops into these bits here. Right, so we done it in that way. It's a lot easier than having the huge one piece, because we actually do that bit, the top bit, in carbon, which then is protected by the bottom bit, which takes all the damage. So if you had a one piece of that, you had the one piece rear diffuser, and you start getting hit all the rocks and the pebbles while you're blasting down that road, all the spider cracks will come to the front and ruin the whole carbon diffuser. So we've actually developed it with a two-piece where we can have this bit here in the carbon, which, let me show you while I've got you there, is here. Do you see it? How cool is that, eh? So you can have the carbon bit on the front, which is, you know, absolutely stunning. Which is, you know, this top bit here. We developed this ourselves. It's complete actual bumper made from ABS polypropylene, which is PP. You know, it's the same OEM stuff that you get for all the top end brands, Jags, Mercs, the lots. None of that fiberglass stuff, or FRP, which is a mixture, which FRP is made predominantly for those that have the wide body type vent cuts and all this. So this is the Quadrifoglio rear bumper, completely different in style to the Super, the Special, even right up to the Veloci or the Veloci TIs, which have got different sections at the bottom for the diffusers. If you look carefully, you know, you can have the diesel one will be completely different to, say, the 180, then you've got the higher versions right up to the 500 plus QV. But this fits every Giulia. So you could change the back end, you know, change the arse of your car, man, basically, to the top end Quadrifoglio look. It just makes it look so much better, you know, rather than having a naff looking one. But it's there. We supply this with the Quadrifoglio tips also. Let me just have a look if I can get hold of a pair. I'm at one of our facilities at the moment. Let me just see if I can get hold of one. So there we go. So this is one of the tips. I'm just getting it out of the packaging. You can have a look. Crazy, so I want to do a video and then start tearing up the things out crazy. Right, so I'm not giving you a lot of headache, but there we go. So, ta-da, after all that, do that. So, that's the QV tip. You see it's heavy duty, chromed up. See the shape of it? And it's at an angle. You can see it's shaped like that. So that then goes into it. So it's like there. So it kind of like gives you an idea that it's a perfect fit on that one. See? So that's it there. Yeah. We retail this at £1,000 in the ABS with the tips, with those tips. We retail it at £1,000. If you want the carbon, We sell the carbon diffuser on its own at 1500, so you could have the carbon diffuser bit just for 1500. If you wanted a bump and you wanted to go the whole hog, we could do you a deal on that one. Just get in contact with us at sales@vehiclerevolution.com. Yeah, thanks for watching. I don't know if you can see it. Thanks for watching, and welcome to the revolution, guys. Is that better? Will that be better? Will I be able to do it that way? There we go. I ain't no Steve Spielberg, I tell you that, but we'll do what we can. Thanks for watching, guys. Thank you very much. Welcome to the revolution.